Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to change notification sound for specific apps on your Android phone. First, open settings, scroll down and look for notification center or simply notifications on some phone. Then choose the app you want. For example, Messenger. Tap notification style or notification categories. The wording may vary depending on your phone. Scroll down at the bottom and look for additional settings in the app. And under notification and preferences, you can tap on ringtone and choose one from the list. But if you want to customize sound or ringtone, just tap Customize Notifications and go to Sound. Then scroll down and you can add your own notification or sound from your device. This is great if you want to know which app sent a notification just by hearing the sound, like giving Messenger a ding and Gmail a chime.